Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMath. ADMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O-level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, in last lecture we finished exercise 5.3. The topic was to sketch the graph of cubic inequality and sketch the graph of cubic polynomials and their moduli. We did all 9 questions of exercise 5.3 and all parts. Today we are going to start next exercise 5.4. The topic is, you can see on your screen, solving cubic inequalities graphically. But before I start exercise, I would like to suggest all those students who are watching my lecture first time, kindly go to my playlist. There is a folder, name is ADMath. Watch previous lectures of this chapter, then you will have good command on this topic. Let's start the concept. Solving cubic inequalities graphically. First, see work example number 9. The diagram shows part of the graph of y equals to 1 over 6 x minus 3 x minus 2 x plus 3. Use the graph to solve inequality x minus 3 x minus 2 x plus 2 less than equals to 6. Very easy. First, the graph is given. First, convert the given equation, that is y is equals to 1 upon 6 x minus 3 x minus 2 x plus 2, in the form of the inequality. So you can compare the both equations. If you divide the inequality by 6 on both sides, so you will get 1 upon 6 into x minus 3 x minus 2 x plus 2 less than equals to 6 upon 6. Obviously 6 upon 6 is 1. So now figure out 1 upon 6 x minus 3 x minus 2 x plus 2. You can see in the question this equals to y. Therefore your inequality x minus 3 x minus 2 x plus 2 less than equals to 6 becomes y less than equals to 1. So now draw the line on your graph which is y is equals to 1. So just draw the line which is passes through y is equals to 1. It means the line which is parallel to x-axis. So your inequality is less than equals to 1. So you have to take all those answers which are below the line y is equals to 1. The first answer is x less than equals to minus 1.6, because after minus 1.6 there are so many values which satisfies the given inequality. And the second red one is from 1 to 3.6. So these two are the answers of your inequality. So it is very easy exercise. I am going to start exercise 5.4 directly. I will do full working in each and every part. See carefully. The diagram shows part of the graph y is equals to x into x minus 2 into x plus 1. Use the graph to solve the following inequalities. Part A. X minus 2 x plus 2 less than equals to 0. And the question, you can see y is equals to x minus 2 x plus 1. So you can replace this portion x into x minus 2 into x plus 2 is y less than equals to 0. Now let y is equals to 0. Draw the line y is equals to 0 in your graph. You know, the line y is equals to 0 means x-axis, because on x-axis the value of y is always 0. So I am drawing a line on x-axis. This is our line. Now see the sign of inequality. The sign of inequality is less than. So it means you have to take all those values which are below the line y is equals to 0. So x-axis is y is equals to 0. Okay students, now see this portion, this one. This whole portion is below red line. Obviously the origin is 0. The first answer is x is less than equals to 0 to 2. This is the first answer. And now see this portion, which is also below red line, and this portion is x less than equals to minus 1, because we don't know where is the end, so we just write x less than equals to minus 1. And the second portion, which we have already written, 0 to 2, because we know it start from 0 and end at 2. So students, x is 0 to 2 or x is less than equals to minus 1 is our final answer of the given part A. Hope you understand. Move to part B. What is part B? X minus 2, x plus 2 greater than equals to 1. Obviously x into x minus 2 into x plus 2 given is y is greater than 1. So first we have to draw the line y is equals to 1. Again, we have to draw the line y is equals to 1. And now see what is the sign? The sign is greater than. The sign of inequality is greater than. So our answer must be the values of x which is greater than 1. What should be the value of this point of intersection? The value of x, you can see carefully, is 2.1. So the answer of part B is x obviously greater than equals to 2.1, because the all values are going from 2.1 to infinity. So this is the answer of part B, because there is no other portion which is intersect the curve. So only one point which is intersect the given curve. Move to part C. Part C is x minus 2, x plus 1 less than equals to minus 2. Obviously this one is y, so y less than equals to minus 2. It means we have to draw a line which is y is equals to minus 2. So here we go, this one. Now see the sign of inequality. The sign of inequality is less than. So we have to write all those values of x which is less than which is less than minus 2. So you can see carefully, this is the first point of intersection. What this value is, read carefully, 1 2 3 4. So this is x, and obviously it is less than equals to minus 1.4, because our graph, this portion of the graph is going towards negative values. So it should be less than equals to minus 1.4. Or see other, the other portion is for this point and this point. This point is, you can see carefully, is 1, and the second point you can see 1.4. So x is greater than equals to 1 and 1.4. So students, hope you understand how to find the solution of cubic inequalities with the help of graphs. Now move to question number 2. What is question number 2? The diagram shows the part of the graph of y is equals to x plus 1 square 2 minus x. Use the graph to solve each of the following inequalities. Part A. X plus 1 square 2 minus x greater than equals to 0. You can see this x plus 1 whole square into 2 minus x is equals to y. So y is greater than equals to 0. Obviously y is equals to 0 is x-axis. So we have to draw a line. Y is equals to 0. It means x-axis. So just draw the line. Y is equals to x. Now see the sign of inequality. The sign of inequality. The sign of inequality is greater than. So we have to take all those values of x which is above, which is lies above than this line, the red one. So you can see this point, and you can see any other point. Yes, this one. So answer is x is less than equals to minus 1 and x is less than equals to 2. Obviously, a number which is less than equals to 2 also less than equals to minus 1. So the only answer is x is less than equals to 2. This is our final answer. So very easy part. Part B. X plus 1 square 2 minus x less than equals to 4. Again this is y. So y less than equals to 4. Draw the line which is y is equals to 4. Draw carefully. Now see the sign of inequality. The sign of inequality is less than. So we have to write all those values of x which is below, which is lies below this red line, that is y is equals to 4. See carefully this point. This is x greater than equals to minus 2, and this is any other point. This is the point which is x greater than equals to 1, because the values are increasing. So if a number which is greater than equals to minus 2, which is also greater than equals to 1, so the only answer is x greater than equals to minus 2. This is our final answer. Move to part C. X plus 1 square 2 minus x less than equals to 3. Obviously this equals to y, so we have to draw the line which is y is equals to 3. Now this is the point of intersection, this is the point of intersection, and this is the point of intersection, and we need all those values which are less than or equal to 3. So what should be the first answer? You can see if you see this point, this one, and read carefully, this is 1.5. So the first value is x is greater than equals to 1.5, because we don't know where this x is going, but we know the value of x at this point is starting from greater than 1.5 or equals to 1.5. Now this one and this one, what is the value of x at this point? The value of x at this point is minus 1.9, and the value of x on this point, this is 1.3. Read carefully. So this is our answer. The values of x from minus 1.9 to 1.3, or the second portion is x is greater than equals to 5. So students, hope you understand whole question number 2. Move to next question. Question number 3 is the diagram shows part of the graph y is equals to 1 minus x, x minus 2, x plus 1. Use the graph to solve each of the following inequalities. Part A, 1 minus x, x minus 2, x plus 1 less than equals to minus 3. So obviously these three brackets are replaced by y. So y is less than equals to minus 3. So we have sorry for this, I am not feeling well. So we have to draw a line which is y equals to minus 3. This is y equals to minus 3. Draw the line. And now focus on the sign of inequality. In this part, the sign of inequality is less than equals to. So obviously only one value of x, that is, read carefully, 2.5. So answer is x is greater than equals to 2.5. This is the final answer of part A. Move to part B. 1 minus x, x minus 2, x plus 1 less than equals to 0. This is equals to y less than equals to 0, and this is obviously x-axis because y is equals to 0 means x-axis. So draw the line on x-axis in your graph. Now see point of intersections. This one is first, second, third. Focus the sign of inequality. The sign of inequality is less than. So write the values of x which is below this line, that is x-axis. So the first value is this portion. This is obviously x is greater than equals to minus 1 less than equals to 1, and the second portion is, you can see, 1 2 greater than 1 greater than 2. So obviously a number which is greater than 2, obviously it is greater than 1. So the answer is x greater than and equal to 2. Part C, this is the answer. Part C is 1 minus x, x minus 2, x plus 1 greater than equals to minus 1. Obviously this is y is greater than equals to minus 1. So draw the line which is y is greater than equals to minus 1. First I want to rub previous lines. I don't know what is going on. Why it's not working? Yes, sometime it happens. Okay, so we have to draw the line which is y is equals to minus 1. Take the scale, draw the line which is y equals to minus 1. Here we go. And now focus the sign of inequality. This time is greater than. How many point of intersection? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So the first value is, which is below the line, is x is, you can read this value, minus x is less than equals to negative 0.8. And the second is, because we know the value which is greater than this line, sorry, I said less than, no, greater than. So this point which is greater than, the value of x is greater than minus, less than minus 8. This value shows the values of x which is greater than red line. Now this portion is this one. What is the value on this portion? The value of x, that is 0.6, and the value on this portion is 2.2. You can read carefully. So the second answer is x is greater than equals to 0.6 and lesser than equals to 2.2. So this is our final answer. Hope you understand this whole question number 3, and after question number 3, exercise has finished successfully. Only 3 questions. We did all questions with all parts. Hope you understand, but if you feel any problem in any question, write in comment box. I will help you. What next? The last exercise of chapter number 5, 5.5, solving more complex quadratic equations. Very easy. I promise you will see the easiest exercise of this chapter. Easiest exercise. I will try to finish the whole exercise in a single lecture or maximum 2 lectures. And the big news is, after exercise 5.5, not only chapter number 5 will complete, but also the whole book of Add Math will be uploaded. So this is the big achievement from my side. This is a gift to all students all over the world, those who are appearing in exams, in school exams, or in IGCSE exams, or in Cambridge exams. This is gift from my side. But I will not stop after exercise 5.5. I will do all past papers questions of ADMAS. I promise you. So student, this is our today's class. I request all of you kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos, you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos, my lectures, as many as you can. Okay students, good luck for next lecture.